Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll not loading on the application of 8-ball poll. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll not loading, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of 8-ball poll. Here in this window of app info, you will click force stop, then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.